Hey homeowners, ready to transform your bathroom but worried about the cost? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Budgeting for a bathroom remodel can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. First things first, let's talk numbers. Typically, bathroom remodels range between $6,000 and $17,000. Your cost will depend on your bathroom size, location, and the upgrades you choose. For a small guest bathroom, expect to spend between $5,000 and $10,000. But if you're overhauling a primary bathroom, costs can skyrocket to $25,000 or more. To avoid any financial surprises, always set aside an emergency fund, around 10 to 20% of your total budget. Now let's get smart about materials. Opting for high-quality yet affordable options can save you a bundle. And remember, hiring professionals for complex tasks like plumbing and electrical work can actually save you money in the long run by avoiding costly mistakes. When it comes to upgrades, prioritize based on your needs and potential return on investment. Do you really need a jacuzzi tub, or will a chic walk-in shower do the trick? Think about what will make your daily routine easier and more enjoyable. And don't forget to align your upgrades with your vision. A cohesive design can make even the most budget-friendly remodel look high-end. So, here's the rundown: know your numbers, set aside an emergency fund, make smart material choices, hire pros for complex jobs, and prioritize your upgrades. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to a beautiful new bathroom without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement advice. Happy remodeling!